أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to www.islamicclasses.com, and my name is Hafiz Bilal. So in this tutorial we are going to learn the articulation points of Arabic letters. Alright, I am going to make this tutorial for the pupil who cannot read Quran correctly and they don't know the exact pronunciation of Arabic letters. Alright, I will try my best to teach the articulation points of the Arabic letters in the easy way by showing to you the images and the place from which place the sound is coming out, okay, of each letter. Let's start. Definition of articulation. Articulation definition is written here. It is the place of emitting the letter when pronouncing it that differentiates that specific letter from other letters. Okay, that is mean this is the place from which place we deliver the sound of Arabic letters. Okay, that place in Arabic we call Makharij. Okay, the singular of articulation points in Arabic is called Makharij, and Makharij is the place from which place we deliver the Arabic letter sound, and that place we call Makharij. Okay, from one Makharij, from one articulation point, we can deliver two letter sound, one letter sound, three letter sound, and which also we call Makharij. The articulation means Makharij. Makharij is the Makharij is a plural and Makharaj is a singular. This is a different. The scholars laid out 5 major areas. Alright, there are 5 major areas of our face, or you can say our mouth, that have within them the different articulation points. Okay, in our mouth there are 5 places, and that places are most important to know the sound of Arabic letters. Alright, which are total of 17. That's mean there are 17 articulation points in that 5 major areas. So you have to know that 5 major areas first, and then within that 5 major areas I will show 17 Makharij. I'm going to the next page to show you that 5 major areas. What are the 5 major areas? Are the number 1 is Al-Jawf. Al-Jawf is the place, the empty space in the mouth, which is the empty space in our mouth, that we call Al-Jawf. I will show in the image that empty space where it is. The second is Al-Halaq, the throat, as you know, the throat. Al-Lisan, the tongue. These are areas I am telling to you from which areas you will understand there are 17 articulation points in these 5 major areas. So don't be confused. Remember, the fourth one is shafataan. This is also one of that 5 major areas. Shafataan means the 2 lips, and the fifth one is al-khayshum, the nose. Let's move to the next page. The definition of 5 major areas. The first one, al-jawf, the empty space in the mouth. The empty space in the mouth and the throat has in it one articulation point. Okay, in the jawf there is one articulation point for the 3 lengthened letters. Right, there are 3 letters we can pronounce from this one articulation point, which is located in the al-jawf place. The second one is al-halaq, the throat. It has 3 articulation points for 6 different letters, which are pronounced from the deepest, middle, and closest part of the throat. We have divided this halaq, the throat, we have divided into 3 categories. The first we call top of the throat, the second we call middle of the throat, or the third we call bottom of the throat. Okay, I mean there are three articulation which I already told: the top of the throat, middle of the throat, and the bottom of the throat. These are the three articulation points in the throat. The next one is al-lisan, the tongue. It has 10 articulation points for 18 letters. The next one is ash-shafataan, the two lips. They have 2 articulation points for 4 letters. Alright. Al-khayshum, the nose. From the whole of nose towards the inside of the mouth, here there is 1 articulation point, that of the ghunna. The next, here I am going to tell you that 5 major areas. Okay. And as you can see, the first one is al-khayshum, and that is this place of the nose. Al-khayshum, the nose. Okay. This place of nose we call al-khayshum, and from this place the ghunna sound come out. The second is al-jawf. This is the empty space of our mouth, and that is the green color you can see. The next one is ash-shafataan, 2 lips. Okay, from these 2 lips we also deliver some letter. Al-halaq, the throat. From the throat also we deliver 6 letters. And the last one is al-lisan. There are 10 articulation points from where we deliver 18 letter sound. So keep in mind these 5 major areas in your mind pronouncing the letter sound. Okay, once you remember these 5 major areas, you can learn more easily the sound of Arabic letters and how you can pronounce the correct sound of Arabic letters. Check out our online courses here. You can contact with us for more information. You can visit our website www.islamicclasses.com. You can email us at info@islamicclasses.com, or you can call us here. You can Skype us as well. Our Skype ID is islamicclasses.com. Thank you for watching this video. Jazakallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.